Hi, I would like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Coach Edie shoulder bag 28 with a scalloped detail, as you could see here. The color of this bag is ice pink. It comes with the silver hardware. As you could see, the really nice detail on both sides there. I'm just gonna go show you the side. It comes with a leather hand tag on one side. So this bag is really nice. It has all this really unique detail, and on this side here it has this really I guess just a minute detail there. This is the bag, and let's take a look at the bottom of the bag right here. And on the inside of the bag, it has a magnetic clamps on one end and a dog leash clip. This way to give you some sort of more security when you close it up. And let's take a look here on the inside. It comes with the same, well, it's not the same material, but it's a linen lining, a lighter color. It's one pocket on one side, the crease on the other side along with the zipper. On the other side. And here you go. And let's compare this to the size of the water bottle. The dimension of this bag here is about 11.5 inches in length. It's about 9 inches in height and about 4 3/4 inches in width. And the weight of the bag is 1 pound 9, close to 1 pound 9 ounces. With the strap on the inside. And so, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.